Hey friends, if battery icon is not showing on taskbar on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to update the battery drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for battery drivers. Right click on each one of them and select update driver. Okay. The next one is to discharge the capacitors. And how would you discharge the capacitors? So switch off your computer, remove the battery, remove the power cable, and press the power button to continuously for 40 seconds. The last one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.